honest bunny, sweet darling, I wonder what you're doing today, honey. Give me a minute, sweet baby, I wanna know if you will give me a chance, honey. But 20 minutes after we took the train, but where do we go, honey? I was sitting next to a beautiful girl, but why I couldn't take a breath? Stay calm and focus, don't do anything stupid. It will be a great mistake. Stay calm and focus, don't hesitate, she's only 18. Stay calm and focus, don't do anything stupid. But I don't know why she's looking at me with a beautiful smile.